All right, we're here doing a simulator repair for claim 3360N960L. Here is the damaged tab that we're going to be replacing. See, there's a clear wind crease. So I'm going to go ahead and break these seals. See where this ends. Looks like it starts right here. Okay, so this is the shingle that I'm going to be doing my simulated repair on. Let's go ahead and get to it. Break all these seals. And every single nail head so far is rusty. So water is getting back here, and I'll show that to you once I get these nails out. And while a little bit of granule loss is normal, just a little bit of padding that I'm having to do while I'm getting these nails out. As you'll see, granules just keep popping and cascading off, just breaking the seal. And then when I need to do any amount of padding, you can see the granules just come pouring off, which is not normal. This nail head's even in crooked. Wasn't sealed properly. And all the nails so far are looking like this, just rusted. So you know the water is getting back to them. These seals have obviously been broken before. And you saw the amount of granules coming off. Alright, so we got it out again. So there's actually a new crease forming here. You saw the amount of granule loss that we had. There is a little bit of mat transfer. Okay, down here as well. And again, every single one of these nails is rusty. So water's getting back to these. It's just showing how so far this shingle does not appear to be repairable. And we haven't even done any hammering yet. Let that slip back in there. And once we get this shingle nailed back in, we'll also go back and caulk these nail heads. That was one that was in crooked already. Definitely have to seal that one up well. Trying not to have to lift the shingle too high. Don't want to cause any unnecessary damage. here, the granules coming off. This crease is getting worse. This is crease forming. And we'll see that better once the videos, or once we've got the shingle in. Trying to be delicate and not have to flip the shingle up more than I have to. Okay, so we got the shingle back in. See, we got new creases forming here, here, here. There's extensive granule loss, and then all the shingles, or excuse me, all the nails are rusted, showing that water is getting back under here. So these seals have been broken at some point. So that is a failed simulated repair for claim 3360N960L. You see, just from the granule loss here, I mean, it almost took most of the 3.3 chalk off. But again, that's a failed simulator repair for this claim. Thank you.